morning, all the students and other viewers. Thank you for giving me so much support and going through the lectures, going through the videos which I have been uploading. And today is the 5th day of today's week, and we know that we are not trying to belittle anybody, not trying to abase anybody, but this initiative is only taken for the benefit of everybody, especially students, so that you all understand and learn and are able to help others also, because English is not a choice today, it's a need. We need to learn this language because it's a universal one. Alright, okay, so let us begin with today's 5 words. The first word is aggrandize. You can see on the screen, it is aggrandize. A-G-G-R-A-N-D-I-Z-E. Aggrandize. You say aggrandize. Alright, this means to portray something in a great deal than it is in reality. As in to make something increase in power, or to increase somebody's position, or to enhance something, enhance as in to increase something than it is in reality, than it is justified by the facts. मतलब जो है नहीं या जो थोड़ा है उसको ज़्यादा करके दिखाना, that is aggrandize. Alright, so we can take a sentence, for example, he aggrandized the CEO status in order to get the deal signed, which means उसको deal sign करवाना था, जिस वजह से वो अपने CEO का जो स्टेटस था उसको झूठ मूठ का और ज़्यादा बढ़ा चढ़ा के उसको माइट भी बोला ताकि उसका डील साइन हो जाए. Alright, okay. Second example we can take, today's news reporters aggrandize some politicians' work in order to increase their TRP, television rating point. We know that many news reporters do that so that they increase their channel's TRP, they gain more money, they become more famous. Why? Might be some politicians are doing only 1 to 5 works, but they are showing that they have done 100. So that is increasing their power or increasing something which is not even there. Usko aur badha chadha ke karna. Alright? Okay. So you understood this word? Okay. Now second word for today is aloof. Aloof. It's A-L-O-O-F. Aloof. Okay, you say it aloof. This means to remain far away from someone, to remain reserved, to remain distant, to be indifferent. Indifferent मतलब फर्क नहीं पड़ना, हम अलग थलग रहना जिसको बोलते हैं वो होता है aloof. For example, you can take an example. She remained aloof from all the ongoing protests. For example, America or US में जो भी protest चल रहा है related to that murder of George Floyd, if you don't know, you should be knowing. So ये सब protest which is not completely justified, but then because obviously that is leading to destruction also, and कहीं भी hatred आता है, that is not justified at any cost. So वो protest से वो दूर है, मतलब she is aloof from the ongoing protests. Second example, in sentence form we can take, her aloof nature was one of the reasons she was so happy. Yes, she was so peaceful. वो बाकी झगड़े में, बाकी फालतू डिस्कशन में नहीं पड़ती थी, जिस वजह से she is happy, she is relaxed. Aloof, to stay away from, to remain distant, indifferent रहना, ठीक है, दूरी बनाए रखना. Alright? Okay. The third word for today is agile. A-G-I-L-E. It's agile. Agile. This means being quicker in movement. Okay, having a quick movement. You can say being quick in moving here and there. That is agile. For example, you can say in sentence form, her dog is powerful, agile and clever. मतलब powerful भी है, इधर उधर जल्दी भाग भी सकता है, and clever भी है. Or second sentence you can say that every country needs soldiers who have presence of mind and are agile in their movement, which means वो लोग एक तो presence of mind हो, because कभी भी attack हो सकता है, and बहुत जल्दी quick movement हो उन लोग के अंदर. ताकि वो लोग कभी भी अटैक हो तो तुरंत तुरंत इधर उधर भाग सके. ठीक है? Understood the word agile? All right. So the fourth word for today is altruism. Altruism. This is a French concept which was formed, and it's a moral concept. This means serving somebody else or helping someone else without thinking of your own self-interest. दूसरों को सेल्फलेसली मदद करना, मतलब कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना मेरा भले नुकसान हो जाए लेकिन दूसरों को मदद करना. दैट इज altruism. ओके, इट कम्स फ्रॉम अ फ्रेंच वर्ड altrui, ALTRUE है, फिर ism है. ism इज ऑलवेज अ कॉन्सेप्ट. ism जब भी लगता है, ठीक है. सो अगर जैसे यहाँ पर हम altrui लिए, दिस मीन्स somebody else. altrui का मतलब होता है फ्रेंच वर्ड विच मीन्स somebody else, किसी और के लिए. सो किसी और के लिए कुछ करना एट योर ओन लॉस, भले अनसेल्फिशनेस जिसको बोलेंगे, भले मेरा नुकसान हो जाए बट देन, या मेरा कुछ फायदा ना भी हो, आई एम हेल्पिंग समबडी एल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे डिड नॉट बिलीव दैट donating people did not believe that celebrities are donating to PM Cares Fund out of altruism. बहुत लोग को लगा they are doing a publicity stunt, but might be they were genuinely also donating. So किसी को ये नहीं समझ में आया that they were doing it out of unselfishness, as in वो लोग बिना अपने बारे सोचे हुए दे रहे थे पैसा. Or you can say an act of altruism in today's world is a rare scenario. मतलब आज के टाइम पे दूसरों के लिए हेल्प करना या दूसरों को हेल्प करना अपने बारे बिना सोचे is a rare scenario. Alright? Understood? Altruism, helping others without thinking about your own self. Alright. The last word for today is, any guesses? Those who have gone to the Instagram page? Alright, fine. The last word for today is ambiguous. 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 This means something which is not clear, something which has an open ending, which is open to interpretation, which does not have one proper meaning, is ambiguous. For example, the movie's last scene was ambiguous. मतलब वो समझ में नहीं आया, confusing kind of बोल सकते हो, but it was not clear. वो और भी interpretation इंसान उसका कर सकता है, open ending type का था, समझ नहीं आया, not clear. Or for example, we can say the modern paintings are ambiguous, are purposely made ambiguous. बहुत बार जो modern paintings होता है वो लगता है कोई splash of colors है, उसका कोई sense नहीं बन रहा है, लेकिन उसको अगर अलग अलग एंगल इंटरप्रिटेशंस देखोगे तो बहुत सारा सेंस बन सकता है. डिपेंड्स ऑन पर्सन टू पर्सन, इट वेरीज फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. तो एम्बिग्यूअस, नॉट क्लियर, नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड टू वन मीनिंग, डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स हो सकता है, दैट इज एम्बिग्यूअस. ठीक है? नॉट क्लियर ऑल्सो, एट द सेम टाइम इट इज ओपन टू डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स. ऑलराइट, सो टुडेज 5 words, let us just revise it. What are the 5 words for today? First word is aggrandize. Second, aloof. Third word for today was agile. Fourth word for today was altruism. And the last word was ambiguous. Alright, so I hope you have learned what these words mean, and I'm sure that you'll use it in your daily life. Now don't use all the words together because that will sound that make you sound like Shashi Tharoor. I hope you know who he is. So use it when required, and do not ever look down upon any person who don't know these words, because always remember, you also didn't know. You are learning, I am learning, and everybody else is also learning. So keep learning, and we'll meet now next week, because as you know, this is 5 for 5 days a week. So today is Friday, and now we'll meet on Monday with our next 5 words. Alright, thank you. so much. Thank you.